Namaste. My name is Nancy Singh, and in Instagram, people call me NANZ dot yogi YOGI, and this is my first yoga video on YouTube on Yoga Day. And people who have queries about asanas and other practices, please comment it below. So I would like to start with Ashtanga Yoga A and Ashtanga Yoga B Surya Namaskar. And people who say that they have flexibility or strength issues, we can modify this asanas or any asanas for that matter. So first let's start Surya Namaskar A. Come to in front of the mat, feet together. This is called Samasthiti, where you are just standing erect. Your shoulders are normal. No stress. Take a deep breath. Namaste. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Take 5 deep breaths and try to look at your navel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look forward. Right leg, left leg. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do Surya Namaskar B. Come to chair pose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Look forward. Inhale. Exhale. Right leg forward. Veerbhadrasana 1. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg forward. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Feet hip distance apart and try to look at your navel and take 5 deep breaths. 2, 3, 4, 5. Look forward. Right leg, left leg. Exhale. Come to chair pose. Exhale. People who say that they have flexibility issues or they can't bend, try to come when they are coming forward. Try to come like this above your knees and look forward. and as they increase their flexibility, then slowly chest, try to bend, don't bend your knees, just try to bend the chest, just try to come closer to the knees. Chest towards the knees, chest towards the knees. Now when you are going right leg back or left leg back, and if they can't come like this, bend your knees, chest, and then look up. Similarly, if their leg is not coming like this, so you can always come with 2 steps or 1 step like this, stepwise, and then forward, and then bring your hips as much as deep. If you can't, like this, try to bend your knees like this and hip down. Slowly, when you gain flexibility and strength, then you start doing the first version, what is Surya Namaskar A and B, and practice daily and enjoy your yoga practice. Thank you.